The first thing you want to do is find a good quality grade air tool pneumatic lubricant. This has special additives and stuff in it to help extend the life of a tool. Drop 2 or 3 drops in the inlet. Kind of hold the trigger in just for a few minutes. Let the oil distribute throughout the tool. I do that at night and leave it overnight, so if there's any moisture or anything that got in the tool during the day while I was using it, the lubricant can help go in and disperse and dry out any of that moisture. The next day when I come in, quickly I plug my air up to it. So you might want to just take it, put the rag over the exhaust, hold it away from you, away from your eyes. Run the tool briefly, just enough to blow out the excess oil. Then at that point your tool is ready to use for the next day.
Got good torque going back on. And that's the main thing, is having the torque to put the wheel back on where it stays on. And like I said, it's real light, easy to use, fits good in your hand, and it makes it a lot easier when you go home at the end of the day.